In this video, I'll show you how to make a graph in Google Sheets. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets and make sure your data is organized properly. Typically, your labels should be in one column and the corresponding values should be in the next column. For example, you might have months in column A and sales numbers in column B. Next, click and drag to select the data you want to include in your graph. Be sure to include both the labels and the values, so your chart will be clear and meaningful. Once your data is selected, go to the top menu and click on Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will automatically create a graph based on your data and display it on your sheet. After the chart appears, the Chart Editor panel will open on the right side. Here, you can customize your graph. Under the Setup tab, you can change the chart type. For example, you can switch between a bar chart, line chart, pie chart, or column chart depending on how you want to present your data. If you go to the Customize tab, you can adjust the chart title, colors, labels, and legend. This helps make your graph more visually appealing and easier to understand. You can also resize and move the chart anywhere on your sheet by clicking and dragging it. Creating graphs in Google Sheets is a great way to turn raw data into visual insights, making it easier to spot trends and compare values. So that's how to make a graph in Google Sheets. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.